Okay, so now you might ask yourself, why these blue arrows? There are, as you can see, blue arrows in all of our nodes. And this is very simple to understand. It has to do with masks, and now we're gonna see. Okay, but first we need to understand that we can apply effects nodes to our merge node and mask our merge node. Okay, so now let's go to our second step, okay, which now that we know a bit of these nodes, the different nodes, we know that in order to put things on top of others, we need to create this merge node. Okay, now we're gonna see how things affect, how things relate to these nodes, okay? So, for example, I would like to just change the color of this fog. Maybe I want it red. Okay, so I'm gonna go here, color corrector. Remember, these are the tools. You can also shift and spacebar, but here are a few ones that are the most used. Okay, then there's others. So you just add a color corrector here. Okay, we hold left click and just drop it here. And as you can see, a color corrector appeared. Okay, so this color corrector is gonna affect our media in? No, this color corrector is gonna affect our fast noise, which is the thing that we've generated, this sort of fog with these black things. Now I'm gonna change my color corrector. I'm gonna change this with my inspector, this wheel, okay, just by holding left click and changing the colors. And focus on this wall. Focus on this wall. The wall is blue always, this part, okay? It's always blue. If I put it very red, as you can see, we still see a lot of blue, and I'm doing a lot of red. And also these posters, they don't really change. Okay, it's like it's still the same, this place. And this is because we are affecting our fast noise. Okay, we are affecting this layer, the one that we generated. We're not affecting our media in. We're not affecting this layer, that is the one of our clip in our timeline. Okay, so it's very important that we understand that, because this is how it works, by layers. So now you can see better this thing of layers. For people that has worked in other softwares, that we call it layers, or layers, for example, is here there are in a way layers too. Okay, like if I do this, I see all my videos. If now I put this one here, I see three layers. Okay, even if there's at the same time, if there's at the same time too, I can see these layers too. Okay, however, in the Fusion is different. Okay, well, now we have this one. Yeah, what's that one? In the Fusion is different. Okay, you see the interface is made to apply these layers to composite. Okay, to do a composition of more than one elements, on top of others. Some of them affect the full picture. Okay, if now, for example, after this bright contrast, I go to another color corrector, then this color corrector, now look at the wall changed now, as you can see. Okay, because we are affecting everything, but also we are affecting these too, our fast noise. Okay, so for example, if now instead of this I put it here, now I do the same but here, after our blur, this color corrector, now look at the wall. It's actually only affecting the wall. So it matters the way we just put our nodes. Okay, and as simple as that, as the toast, you know. You first wanna toast your bread, no? Okay, then you're gonna just put things on top, and then maybe you're gonna give it the final touch. You're gonna add some sugar, you're gonna add some salt, whatever you're doing, you know. So here the final touch, you can also do here, but if we wanted to change one layer, we need to know where is our layer, okay? And here is where organization is very important and fundamental. And I'm gonna show you another thing that you can do.